Hey children, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a poem from 8th chapter, 1st standard NCERT book, Marigold, a little turtle. Let's start. I am a little turtle. I crawl so slow. I carry my house wherever I go. So let's start the learning of this first stanza. The poem is about a turtle and it is a little turtle. What is he saying? That he crawls slowly. The meaning of crawl is walking slowly, closely to the ground. So, the little turtle walks slowly, closely to the ground. And wherever he goes, he carries his house with him. You know about turtle house? It is a shell around his body. So, meaning of stanza is there is a little turtle and it has a house, that is his shell around his body. So, wherever he goes, he crawls and he carries his house with him. That means he walks slowly, carrying his house with him. Okay. Let's begin with second stanza. When I get tired, I put in my head, my legs and my tail, and I go to bed. So, let's understand the meaning of the second stanza. When the little turtle gets tired, tiredness is a feeling of need to have a sleep or rest. Thakan. Tiredness is thakan. When the little turtle gets tired, he simply puts his head, legs and tail inside the shell and he go to the bed, means he takes sleep, he takes rest. He go to the bed means he takes rest. So, you understood the meaning? What is the meaning of the second stanza? The little turtle walks slowly, and whenever he gets tired, he simply put his head, legs and tail inside the shell. So, as we discussed earlier, shell is his house. So, he need not to worry about it because he carries his house with him. So, whenever he wants, he can take sleep or he can take rest. So, if he wants to take sleep, what the turtle does? He just put his head, tail and his legs inside the shell and he goes to bed. Okay, you understood the meaning of second stanza? Cool. So here are new words like carry. Carry means साथ लेकर चलना. Crawl is walking slowly, closely to the ground. Baby crawls. Animals like lizard, crocodile, they also crawl. They walk slowly, closely to the ground. That is also known as crawling. Okay. Next word. Tiredness means a feeling in which we feel to have sleep or rest. That is tiredness. Thakan. Turtle means kachua. Let's read. A baby crawls. A turtle has a shell. Next, reading is fun. How does turtle walk? How does a turtle walk? Turtle walks slowly, closely to the ground, or the turtle crawls. Okay. Next question. What does the turtle carry on its back? The turtle carries his house on its back. Next, where does the turtle go when it is tired? The turtle goes to bed when it is tired? Let's talk. What is the turtle's house called? The turtle's house called as turtle's shell around his body. What other reasons can you give for a turtle going into its house? Whenever turtle feels dangerous or it feels someone is attacking on him, he goes into his house. So that is the reason turtle goes into his house whenever he feels someone is attacking on him. So that was the answer of second question. Say aloud. Circle purple turtle. Fire liar tired. Cat caught cup. Kick king kit. Quack queen quick. Cool. Let's share you're going to do on your own. Color both the turtles. You're going to do on your own. Okay. Next chapter or next story. The tiger and the mosquito. Let's begin. Let's read. A tiger was dozing under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I'm not afraid of you." So there was a jungle, and into that jungle there was a tree, and under that tree a tiger was taking a nap. Dozing means taking a nap, a short sleep. Okay, a power nap we say. So the tiger was dozing, and a mosquito came there, and the mosquito was passing by his side. Buzzing means buzz. We know the buzz, flies or mosquito, how they make sound. Buzz, that is buzzing. So buzzing means voice of mosquito. The tiger got disturbed due to that buzzing, and the tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away. Don't disturb me. I'm taking nap." So tiger was very angry with the mosquito. The tiger started dominating the mosquito, the mosquito was very small compared to the tiger. So tiger was dominating the mosquito. But the mosquito said fearlessly, "No, I'm not afraid of you. Why should I go away?" Students, we have not yet completed this chapter, so we will be back with another part of this chapter. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks for मामी की बच्ची है चुटकी. Washed his hand, उसने हाथ धोया. विपुल ने. He washed his hand and lifted little चुटकी. उसने चुटकी को उठा लिया. Suddenly चुटकी started crying. Suddenly, अचानक